you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so super excited. I have an advent calendar by Gogh Jewelry Design to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so again, this is the advent calendar by Gogh Jewelry Design. This is the Healing Gemstone and Jewelry advent calendar. It was sent to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your advent calendar to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now with this one, I'm going to tell you a little bit of information and then we'll dive in. This one is still available if you were to purchase a year subscription of their manifestation box, which is amazing. You can get this entire advent calendar for free, or you can go and purchase it. It's limited quantities either way. If you wanted to purchase it outright, it's $195 with a $475 value. I do have my code Crafty, which will save you 20% off their online shop or their subscription boxes if you like to check them out. Now, when you do go to order for this, it's really neat because you do get to kind of customize it for yourself. So when you go to purchase it, the first thing you get to do is choose your wrist size. And their wrist sizes go from a extra small, which is a 5-inch wrist, all the way up to an extra large, which is a 9-inch wrist. So you choose the wrist size and then you get to select if it's for her, him, or kids. So then they know, like, you know, which style and colors and size, that kind of thing. And then you get to choose between 3 different themes. One of them is ocean. You can choose from yoga or Mother Earth. I said ocean because I absolutely love the ocean. I don't like being in it. I just like looking at it. And I just love blues and teals and aqua and that kind of thing. So I said ocean, and they already have my wrist size. So everything should be in here for the ocean advent calendar for my wrist size. And I am super excited. So again, I will link them down below. Crafty will get you that 20% off if you wanted to check out their online shop to purchase anything individually for you or for another, stocking stuffers, gift ideas. That is amazing. Or you can just jump to one of their subscriptions if you would like. So everything will be linked down below. So let's go ahead and dive in. It comes in this really cute box, and I think the box and the packaging is also a variation of colors. So let's get this one open. This is a cute little box though. So you just pull that whole little ribbon off, and then you have this little section here to open. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. The first thing says, Tracy, open 1 pocket a day starting December 1st and enjoy crystal wisdom every day. Love the owner. I'm going to go ahead and open every single door for you guys today so you can see everything. Oh, that is so neat. And she also included her actual gemstone. I have one of these and I really like this. For one, it's color, and it's like the main crystals that you might have any questions. You can look at it and you can tell what it is, and it tells you the name of it. So that is really neat that this is included, because this will probably help you along the way when you are opening up the advent calendar, and then you can tell which crystals, stones you have. That is really neat. Okay, so it's all wrapped up like this. And then let's get her open. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing like the colors of the packaging that it's in. Oh my gosh, get you open. Just look at how pretty. Definitely ocean, definitely the teals and the blues. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. That is super cute. All right, so we're going to open this. And then it basically unfolds this away. And then you have pockets on the inside and the outside. So it'll open up all the way like this. And you have stuff in each little door on both sides. Okay, so that, again, that is super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just go back this way. Roll up. And then we'll start from this end and see what is all inside. Oh my gosh. So let's just go ahead, and I don't know which way you're supposed to go, but it was folded this way. So I'm going to start with this one right here. And it is a necklace. How pretty. It's like mermaid scales. It says mermaid jewelry. Can you see that? Look at that. It's like mermaid little scales on there, and you can actually kind of feel them. They're raised. That is so cute. It says, as a child, I used to dream about being a mermaid. Mermaids have the ultimate superpower in my mind. They are fierce, beautiful, and free to make waves. Mermaid symbolizes love, beauty, mystery, and untamed spirit. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And we're only in day 1, you guys. We are only in day 1. So let's see what is on the outside or the inside of that same thing. Ooh, we have another necklace here, and it looks like there's a sun. Is that like a sun on there? I love that dark blue though. And this looks like it's from the Mindful collection. And that's what it looks like right there. And it's on the silver chain. That is super, super pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and that definitely matches with what I'm wearing. Okay, so we have 2 necklaces so far. Holy moly. Let's go with, there's something in here. Ooh, that is pretty, and it looks kind of like a little egg. How cute. But I love all of those colors in there. That's so pretty. It looks just like a little egg. I need to get like a little basket, and I'll stick this in there. If I ever get any other ones that are shaped like this, I can just stick them all like in a little basket with the eggs. That would be super cute in my little display with my crystals. That would be so cute. All right, up next, look at how pretty this big one is. And I like how it's cut because it can just sit. Yep, it can just sit like that. That is super pretty. I love ones that can actually just sit up to give height than just laying down. So that is a really neat cut of that one right there. And I love those colors. That is super, super pretty. So we got the first 4 down. Let's go with number 5. Let's see what's in this little pocket. Ooh, this is super pretty. Sometimes you'll get like one of these little hearts if you have like the wrap bracelet subscription, but this one looks like a deep like a bluish color, and there's actual like sparkles. It is literally sparkling in there. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is just beautiful with all those sparkles. Gorgeous. I love that. And I actually do collect these little heart ones, all different sizes, and I have them all laid out together. So that is so neat. Then on the other side, I wish my lights weren't like that, but here we go. Ooh, and this is a nice like blue stone right here. It's like a raw edge. That is really pretty. I'm not sure if this would be blue calcite, but that's what it looks like kind of from this image right here. Again, I'm not sure, but good thing we have this handy dandy chart. You can look them up if they're on there. Now we have our first bracelet. Oh my gosh. Look at those colors. It's like a green and some teal. There's like some grays and browns. Those are gorgeous. This is theirs. Now look at that. And you can always wear these together. You can stack them. Even the wrap bracelets, you can stack them, do all different things. And oh my gosh, I love those colors. Ooh, yes. Now we have another bracelet, and this is all more like in the green tones. That is super, super pretty. I don't have anything that looks like this from them yet. That is really, really pretty. So you can see the difference in the colors all together. This one's more of like, you know, darker greens. That's so pretty. I've been actually really enjoying wearing greens lately. So yes. Ooh, and speaking of green, this one is like a forest kind of green color, and it's that same like heart shape. This one doesn't have the sparkle glitter through it, but it is a gorgeous cut of that stone. It's really pretty. Ooh, I like that color. I really like that color. That's so pretty. Let's see what else we have in these little pockets. This is a really cute advent calendar. Oh, and we have another heart, and ooh, look at that color. It even matches my tree. That is gorgeous. It's like a sea foam kind of color, and it has a little bit more of like a green on the bottom. That is super, super pretty. Now we have another bit. We'll probably stand upright, and look at those colors. Oh my gosh. And I really, really like that you can choose the 3 different themes. So you're going to be getting like, you know, the color choices that you would actually prefer. I like that. And again, you choose your wrist size. So all of the bracelets would come already sized for you. Ooh, now we have like a nice large selenite. Look at that piece. Nice. That's a nice one. It's a big one. It almost didn't fit in the little thing. Okay, so next up we have is the sand dollar necklace. It has a really cute sand dollar like little charm on here. And then I believe this right here is lava. And then you have a little clear one down there as well. So that is really, really pretty. So this is the 3rd necklace, and it is on the sand dollar card. Sand dollars can make their own preferred and secured living places. These characteristics symbolizes their inspiration to live and also their self-defensive mentality. It can encourage one to choose their own path and also the need to teach one on how to protect themselves. Sand dollar symbolizes in strength, flexibility, freedom, choosing one's path. Super, super pretty. And again, you have all 3 of those little things dangling on there. And the sand dollar, and that's really cool. You get this card, it tells you what it represents. Okay, now we have this little guy right here. It's a nice, pretty green color. And yeah, so there's that. Then now we're gonna have this and one thing that I don't have yet is a dark blue bracelet, and now I do. That is beautiful. Look at that. I love those colors. Normally I have this teal, and then I have like a green. I think I have like another tealish kind of color, but I don't have anything with like a deep blue. So that is gorgeous. I'm so excited. The other side of there, I think this is a clear quartz. Nice little chunk of that right there. And then now we have another bracelet. And oh, I think this is all lava. The lava stone. And ooh. So that is a really nice one to wear, like, because when I get ready in the morning, whatever I'm wearing, I look through all the ones that I have and I choose something that would match to color coordinate. Now, if I don't really have anything that quite matches, I can grab this one because it's all black and it will match with anything. I love that. We got options. Yeah. On the other side of that one is this. It's super pretty as well. It has a slight like greenish tone to it with a little bit of like a light brown. That is super pretty. Now we have is, ooh, that is a really pretty stone as well. Again with my greens and teals, love it. And then on the other side of that one is another heart. And it looks like this. It's almost like a coppery kind of color. Okay, so we have a few more little doors left. This one here is like more of like a lime greenish kind of color. That is really pretty as well. I just love crystals in general. I don't care what they look like. I've always just been fascinated with them. Look at how pretty. So this one has like this little star right there. And then it's this like pretty aqua color. Like a turquoise. Ooh, that is gorgeous. And see, I don't have anything quite like that color either. I'm so excited. Now we have a purple. I don't know if this is like an amethyst, but it looks like amethyst to me. And it is a heart. How cute is that? I love all these little hearts. And then here is another heart. This one's almost like a light pink. So that might be like the rose quartz. So we have 2 left. The first one, we have another necklace, and it's an octopus. And there's a little better image of it. Definitely is an octopus. And it says, when inspiration comes from the ocean, there is one creature that represents intelligence, dexterity, adaptability, and resilience. Take your spirit animal and let inspiration flow everywhere you go and everything you do. Octopus is considered the most intelligent out of all invertebrates. Wow. There's that. Very, very pretty. And again, it is the octopus. So then there's 4 necklaces. Oh, the last one's a necklace as well. So there's 5 necklaces total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bracelets total. And then all of those stones. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is another one from the mindfulness, I guess, collection. Because it says mindfulness on the back. And it's to help achieve your goals. But that is, I don't know what this is, but that is super pretty. It almost looks like glass, like sea glass. I don't know, but that is super, super pretty. That is super pretty. I love that. And so that is now the last and final door. Oh my gosh. You have this that you can either store them in or store anything else in. Or if you just have little things like nail polishes or something like that you wanted to put in here or re-gift this to somebody, you definitely could. This is super, super cute. And again, we have the 5 different bracelets, not this one. This one was already on. So you have all 5 of these that came in the ocean themed set. And then we have the 5 different necklaces. Again, you have the mermaid, you have the one that has like the sun on it, you have the sand dollar, the octopus, and this one here that is just beautiful. So there's the 5 different necklaces, and then you have the large selenite. This is the second to largest one here. You have the raw stone, and then you have all of these other crystals right here. So that is everything that came in this ocean. Again, everything is just by the theme, so it could be different colors in yours, could be different necklaces, different bracelets, depending on the theme and the size that you choose. But oh my gosh, that was amazing. And I am loving all of these bracelets so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that again is everything for this advent calendar. I will have them all linked down below. Crafty will get you that 20% off their shop or the subscriptions. Definitely, if you would like to follow that, to go check them out. And yeah, oh my gosh, what did you think of this advent calendar? You guys know I am an advent calendar hoe. I love me some advent calendars. I've never done a crystal one before, so this was super exciting. Again, all of the wonderful jewelry that you have with the crystals, I think this was amazing. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.